Good morning, students. In my previous class, I already explained fourth chapter, that everything I need to know I learned in the forest, written by Vandana Shiva. And in my first class, just outline picture I explained, and then at the same time that 6 extracts I told you will be there in this chapter. And as we already completed that 5 extracts, her ecological journey, beyond monoculture, rights of nature on the global stage, the dead earth world view, what nature teaches. And today's in this class, a last one which is left, that is what here, the poetry of the forest, the poetry of the forest, poetry of the forest. So, it is very important, everything I need to know I learned in the forest, important chapter. In this supplementary exam, 2 questions, actually only one question used to ask, but in this supplementary 2020, 2 questions they asked in paragraph, means 8 marks they asked. So, for that purpose, and be aware of this, the question they ask from which chapters, and if we see 3 years question paper, you will get confident and you comes to know from which chapter they will be asking questions, that you comes to know. Now, let us say here, see, poetry of the forest, the poetry of the forest. See, once again, all this what we have read, Vandana Shiva, she is very much interested in this ecology, means environment, forest, how to protect, how to safeguard, and what are the precautions we should take, and even in agriculture sector, what type, means here we have to just drop the single growing crop, means monoculture. It is better to shift biodiversity, means variety of crops we should grow, like that new innovative that she want to add to this what nature. So, her inner feeling, stop destroying this what forest as well as nature, and in a supportive manner, what are the things we can do and take steps to protect, that she want to tell. And in this essay, means I told you already, in this essay, last one here, Tagore, specifically she want to tell about how Rabindranath Tagore already he understood nature, and we know that he got a Nobel Prize in the year of 1921, and famous that book Geetanjali, there also for that Geetanjali he got a Nobel Prize. Still we have not got independence. In 1921 itself he got, and everybody they were surprised that under colonial, means our India was under British people, and how they got like that. And we know that Gitanjali, completely what here? Description of what here? Nature, forest, that we can see in that what book. And she want to tell, Vandana Shiva want to tell how, what he did Rabindranath Tagore. It is very helpful to do present, that she want to tell. And also here let us see. Tagore started a learning center in Shantiniketan in West Bengal, India as a, see here Shantiniketan. Started a learning center in Shantiniketan in West Bengal, India as a forest school, then became a university in 1921, India's most famous center of learning. So, why she want to tell about this Shantiniketan? See, learning center, he started as a learning center and also as a forest school. Basically, he started a forest school. Then what happened? Became a university in 1921. So, that too what? In forest, far away from crowded, where everyone, because forest will impact in our mind to be what? Constant, calm, and also it will weaken because of that what beauty in that what forest, and our mind will be peace, calm. So, for that purpose, thinking that started a school, forest school, then what? It has become university, where they can learn. Forest is the best place where we can what? Dedicate, concentrate, and to be determined what to become. So, that is what here India's most famous centers of learning. Today, just as in Tagore's time, we need to turn to nature and the forest. See, in 1921 what it was. Today 2020, 1921 means century, 100 years before what Rabindranath Tagore has done. Today means present, it is applicable. Today is most applicable his ideas, theory. Today, just as in Tagore's time, we need to turn to nature and the forest. Once again, reconnecting, going near to this what? Forest. That she want to tell by taking Rabindranath Tagore's views, thoughts like that. So, in his essay, Tapovan, Forest of Purity, Tagore writes, India's best ideas have come where man was in communion with the trees and rivers and lakes, away from the crowd. So, that is what here, once again here Tagore want to tell that how here, see Tapovan. Tapovan is nothing but here forest of purity. How that forest will be purify our mind, means that power is there in that nature. So, that you want to tell. So, Tagore writes, India's best ideas have come. Ideas have come, thoughts which comes from person. A best place is what? Forest. Come where man was in what? Intercourse, communion, intercourse with what? Here trees, rivers, lakes, away from the crowd. Away from the crowd. If we stand in a center of a crowded chowk, we cannot get ideas. Best place is what? A forest. Maybe what here? Where man was in communion with the trees and rivers and lakes, away from the crowd. So that the power is there in forest. That she want to tell by taking example in his essay. And also she has taken what? This one also. Rabindranath Tagore wrote one essay in his essay, Tapovan, means forest of purity. How we can purify from what? Forest. It will impact and we will become so pure. Means mentally in our what? Mind, how that is what? Purified, and only good thoughts will be entered in our mind. That you want to tell. The peace of the forest has helped the intellectual evolution of man. See, intellectual peace of the forest has helped the intellectual evolution of man. So, how we have developed? Because here ideas, thoughts, ವಿಚಾರ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಬರಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅರಣ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಲಾಟ್. ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ದ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ society. Culture of Indian society. So basically our what? Lifestyle, maybe what? Life of our Indian, maybe civilization, what started in what? Forest, as a tribal, and on the banks of rivers, our Indian civilization started. Because that because of what? That Rabindranath Tagore want to say. See, the culture of the forest has fueled the culture of Indian society. Our society stood on what? Forest. Basically, what? Our lifestyle started in forest. Okay, because of today modern technology, we are thinking we have to stay in urban, and where the urban life is advanced like that, we think and we are destroying, not taking much time to protect what? Forest, nature. So that is what here Rabindranath Tagore want to say in his essay Tapovan. Next, in Tagore's writings, the forest was not just the source of knowledge. It is not only, forest is not only give knowledge and also what? Freedom. It symbolized the universe, symbolized knowledge and freedom, and also it symbolized what? Universe. The forest teaches us union and compassion. See what power we can see in that forest. It will teach us to become one, union and also compassion. Because of pure mentality will develop, and it will tell us to love everyone, compassion, feeling love towards given species. So when we are in that crowded, in urban, our focus is only towards how to get profit. ನಾನು ಈ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಕನಸು ಕಾಣ್ತೀವಿ ಹೊರತು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನೀತಿದಿಂದ, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕೆಂಬುದು ನಾವು ಕನಸು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಈ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಂತಂದರೆ, ಇಡೀ ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದಾಗಿರೋದು, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾಷನ್, ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವುದು, ಪ್ರೀತಿಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಮನಾದ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಭಾವನೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಈಸ್ essay you want to tell. We can develop what? Union and also compassion, love towards everyone, everything what it is there on this earth. So that mentality will what? Develop. So that he want to say in his essay, Rabindranath Tagore. So it is specifically Vandana Shiva kept thoughts of Rabindranath Tagore 100 years before. Already he thought that we must be protect, love this nature. And once again in this 2020 Vandana Shiva what wrote and want to tell us that we should be what? One among all species. So that is what here want to tell. Then the forest also teaches us enoughness as a principle of equity, how to enjoy the gifts on nature without exploitation and accumulation. Enoughness, ಬೇಕು ಬೇಕು ಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಬೇಡ ಸಾಕು. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಲೈಫ್, ದಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್. ಕಾರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಬಂಗ್ಲಾ ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕು. That will be growing in our mind. But what Tagore want to say in his writing, the forest also teaches us enoughness, and also it will tell us as a principle of equity. See, that power is there, equity. And also it will teach that we should be equal among all living organisms. That evil thinking will not come in our mind to kill animals, birds, that will not come. Principle of equity, how to enjoy the gifts. ಈ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸವಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಡ್, ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸವಿಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸವಿಯೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಸವಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ವಾಟ್? ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಶಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಸೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್, required it is. So that is what? How to enjoy the gifts on nature without exploitation. So we should not exploit. And accumulation, we have to go together here, go together and also not to exploit. See here, maybe for the purpose of industries, apartments, and to develop the cities. Day by day all the cities, they are what? Becoming bigger and bigger. Whatever the land, forest we are the what? Cutting trees, even big trees, because of what? Electrical poles, which will be what? Touching that wire. So, they will be cutting. To enlarge the roads, they are cutting trees. Only if we go on cutting trees, the day may come, doomsday may come. And on the other side, we have to look out, we have to care, and we have to grow, plant number of trees. So, that also. Even they are not ready to just grow within their compound trees. Means within that compound also they do not want to keep, because every day they have to sweep. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಕಸ ಬಳಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಗಿಡಗಳು ಕಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್, ದಟ್ Vandana Shiva's main intention is to what? That you have to think it. So, next one here, the conflict, fight, struggle between greed and compassion, conquest and cooperation, violence and harmony, that Tagore wrote about continues today. 100 years before what Rabindranath Tagore wrote, still it is continuing. So, we should stop that one. Here, greed we should not develop. We have to develop what? Compassion. Conquest, not what? Capture. What? Cooperation. We have to go together with all living organisms. Violence, stop, and let us what? Become peace, harmony. That Tagore wrote about continues today. So, what it was there, his basic intention is to spread aware, build up what here, spread the awareness of what? Forest. He started on those days, 100 years before. But what he told on those days, till today it is continuing. So, it is better to what? Stop. We to understand, as a readers we have to understand and stop all the what? Negative thoughts towards nature, forest, that we should stop. And it is the forest that can show us the way beyond this conflict. Only forest will give a way, thinking beyond of what? This one, greed, conquest, violence. Only that forest can. Forest, it is the forest that can show us the way beyond this conflict. Whatever the disturbance means here in our mind is happening, only we can full stop if we understand better this what? Nature and forest. So, that is what here in this last this one, what? The poetry of the forest, Rabindranath Tagore in his Tapovan, he will keep ideas, thoughts, how we should be towards nature. So, that is what here. And fourth chapter it is completed, and one thing that you have to remember, go through textbook, read it and try to understand from beginning to what till last page. You have to read thoroughly and understand. Okay. Thank you. In my next class, once again with some other concept, maybe from workbook or textbook, I will come and I will join. Thank you.